Hi there, students. Morale. Okay, morale is about psychological well-being. It's the spirit of a group that makes the members of the group want to succeed, makes them want to win. And this is particularly common in an army during a battle or in a team. It's about how motivated you are, how confident and useful you feel. And for example, in a battle, if you have a small number of people with very high morale against a larger group with very low morale, it's very probable that the small group will win because of their higher morale. It's their spirit, their confidence, their cheerfulness, their discipline, their willingness to do what they are assigned. It's the capacity of the members of a group to maintain a belief in the group or to maintain belief in a goal, particularly in face of hardship. Morale is often reinforced by a leader with authority, but it's about the self-discipline of the group. Okay, so the capacity to maintain belief. Um, the After they sacked 3 people in the department, the morale in the department was very low. So morale is about the amount of confidence and enthusiasm that a person or a group has, particularly in a difficult situation. If a group of soldiers has very low morale, it's very likely they will just run away. They're frightened. Let's go. Um, and morale reflects the spirit and the willingness to endure challenges. And it reflects an emotional and mental state regarding a task. It's about enthusiasm. It's about how positive an individual feels about their role. And it's also about the collective spirit of a team, the group cohesion, and the response to challenges. And this impacts on performance. High morale is linked to high productivity and better outcomes, both at work, in sport, and in a military setting. It's about psychological well-being. So employees with high morale are more engaged, they're more productive. Soldiers with strong morale are less likely to surrender in difficult situations. A coach's motivational speech can boost a team's morale in the middle of a game. So this is perhaps why the breaks or the half-time break in the middle of a game is very important. To boost morale, to raise morale, to improve morale. Morale amongst the players is very high at the moment. Another win would be good for the team's morale. Staff are suffering from very low morale. So, okay, this comes from the French word morale, in meaning ethics or morality, which comes from Latin moralis, manners or morals or ethics. So after the layoffs, morale was at an all-time low. Morale is an important quality with soldiers. With good morale, they'll charge into a hail of bullets. Without it, they won't even cross the street. A morale boosting exercise. The morale of the group. Don't confuse this with moral, meaning ethical. It's your moral duty. This is completely different. The morale of the staff increased when everyone was given a day off with pay. Ah, make me feel much better about my job. The esprit de corps, the self-esteem, the confidence, the heart, the spirit, the mettle, the amount of confidence felt by a person or a group, particularly in a dangerous or a difficult situations. A couple of victories would improve the team's morale enormously. Okay, the level of confidence and enthusiasm and overall mental happiness. The team is playing well and their morale is high. The recent layoffs have really affected morale around the office. Free Friday lunches are great for employee morale. Okay, so morale is very important. The company announced sudden job cuts and employee morale dropped to an all-time low. Okay, so the mental and emotional enthusiasm, confidence, loyalty of a group, the esprit de corps. So a morale booster. Their morale plummeted, the confidence, the cheerfulness. The team's morale was boosted after winning the championship. The company is taking steps to improve employee morale. Low morale can negatively impact productivity. So, morale. Formality. Morale. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, but use it anywhere. And frequency of use. I think maybe medium to low frequency of use. So, morale. Bye for now.